Hi crafty friends, Lacey the Cheeky Bum back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Tina. I had thought that I was done with these, and when I peeked into the box I thought it was a loaded tote, and I didn't dig any farther. And then I thought I thought I was done, and Tina's like, no, I did an embellishment box, did you not get mine? And yeah, anyway, this is from Tina, so we're gonna get into it, and I'm really sorry this took a few days. Had phone issues. It's just, it's been a week. It's been a week, but we're going to get through it and we're going to get into it. So this has my name on it. So I'm for sure opening this. So this right here, let me open this. Ooh, look at that tote bag. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You're not even gonna be able to see it. It's a spider tote bag. Like how dope is that? That is so stinking cute. I don't know where you got this, but I am a spooky girl all year. Like, not like in your face spooky, but I do wear like Halloween, type of shirts throughout the year. If it doesn't have Ghostface on it, then it has Michael Myers or Chucky. Like, it has something spooky, skeleton, something. So this is like a subtle spooky, and I am gonna go on vacation in November, and I think that this is going to be my carry-on little tote, because that is so freaking adorable. So adorable. Thank you so much, Tina. That just like lit my that teeny little red part in my heart just like grew 10 times too large. I'm just kidding. I'm actually a very nice person. I just like to pretend like I'm grumpy and a Grinch, but I'm really not. And then we have, is this a cat too? Is this a little kitty too? Look at this. This is so cute. And socks. And socks. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much, Tina. You are the sweetest. You are so sweet. I love a good kitty. I don't have any black cats right now, but I did my very first black little kitten. His name was Magic, and he was so special. But this is her tote. See, this is why I thought it was a loaded tote. But in here, what does she got? She's got an embellishment box. We have a large embellishment box. Let's see what else is in this bag. We have goodies in the bag too. So yes, I'm so sorry that I thought that this was something it wasn't. So let me open this real quick. Okay, here is all of her goodies. So here is her shakers. Have a little like jack-o'-lantern gumball machine and a little spider. Loving the colors. Again, I was not a purple girly up until real recently. But I've been really loving the color purple to craft with. I don't know if I own any purple clothing or anything, but purple to craft with is my jam lately. We have this sequin mix. It's got all kinds of little things in there, and it's in a cool little component. We have Sour Patch Kids, and we have, what is this? A little candle? Ooh, that smells good. What is that smell? It's mahogany teak wood. I could smell the teak wood. All right, so that's fun. And then here is her embellishment box, and on here she's got this dangle. Ooh, this is really fun. So I like how she's done her take. Well, I mean, it's not a take, it is a dangle. So she's used all of this fun like eyelash, a scrubby type of trim, and she's tied her beads on here. It's very textile. It's very fun. It's very creepy. So she's got some really cool beads on here. Ooh, look at, this. So look at this evil eye, but it's like a wire wrapped. It's like got a heart on it. I don't know if she did that. She's purchased it like that, but it's very cool. Here's the little jar with a ghosty. I'm going to have to zoom you guys in so you can see all this, because This is so cute. It's a little ghosty in a jar. We have candy, Snickers. We have, it says candy on here. So cute. What a fun little dangle. I like this, and I like the textileness. It's different, and I like different. And then here is her embellishment box. She's got this creepy little centipede. We would get these centipedes in Hawaii that would grow like a foot long, and their bite was actually like pretty intense. Like they were known, like, stay away, check your shoes. So that's what it reminds me of. But she's got this chain. It's a very dainty little black chain, so I don't know if you can see it, but there's a chain. And then there's like she's got chain die cut on here as well. It's really cool. And then let's see what she's got inside. This is a cool box. I really like this. I like how big this is. This will be perfect for whoever receives her swaps, that like they can put like more Halloween stuff in here. So it's like I said, it's a good size. So in this one we have those little vase filler spiders. We have some beads. We have the ghosty beads. We have some bubblegum beads. This is just like a sequin bead. Like it's almost like, I don't know if it's solid sequin or if it's like a foam center, but that's really cool. We have googly eyes of all different types and sizes. I see neon ones in there. I see plain black ones. This is the largest, and then there's a lot smaller. And then she's got little jars of stuff in here. So these are the jars from Dollar Tree, but she's got them filled with stuff. So this one has little black star beads. Oops. You can see that. Those are pretty beads. And then this one has like a bead mix. And let's see what kind of colors there are. So it's a black, silver, white, and gold mix. These are really cool beads. I like those. I like that. So pretty. And then up here we have some beads. This came, if I remember correctly, because I got the same mix. This was like in a bead mix from Hobby Lobby. They had like, yeah, these gemmy beads, wood beads, silicone beads, and just bubblegum beads. And they're all like grays, whites, silvers. I think mine had golds in there too. I'm trying to think. I can't see behind me. But it was it's a great mix. I really like it. I used actually quite a few of those for Halloween this year. We'll look at this little ghosty bead, and then we have a jack-o'-lantern. We have another little jack-o'-lantern type of face. Ooh, look at this one. This one's got like a ghost face on it. I like that one a lot. And then some orange and black ones. Those are fun. This stuff, I believe, is like a vase filler as well, but this is really pretty. We have a ghost. We have a witch hat. We have a pumpkin, another witch hat, and some bones. And then up here, see, yeah, I'm pretty sure this one goes in that mix too, but it probably didn't fit. This really pretty, like, purple, kind of speckled stonish bead. We have some, like, blood spatter beads. I have these in my stash as well. They're really fun. We have some crackle beads and a couple faceted. And then we have candy beads here. These are so fun. I wish that I would have found these this year because I would have got a pack of them, and I didn't. But I have gotten a few in swaps, but these are really fun beads. I really like them. And then over here we have just, I think they're just all different types of skulls. Yes. So you have big skulls, little skulls, white skulls, black skulls, silver skulls, all different colored skulls. Look how tiny these ones are. Really fun. There's purple. There's even this type of flatter skull. All kinds of skulls. And then, let's stay in. And then over here she's got some of the shadow words, but they're on foam with specialty paper on top. Ooh, I like this. I would have never really thought of that. This is like a brown foam and she's put purple on it, but that's like, it's a nice color combo that I don't know if I would have thought of, but it gives it kind of more of a vintagey feel, like a hocus pocusy type of feel. And then we have a bracelet over here that says pumpkin spice. And then this one says curse. This is just a dangle, like a wire wrapped bead. All right, and then over here we have a string of green beads that you can use. And then, ooh, these glass beads. So these are like a pumpkin blown glass bead. Those are really pretty. And over here we have some flat back skull and crossbones. We have a little scream, like ghost face type of guy. Oh, this pumpkin is really cute. He's got like a vintage pumpkin-y feel. We have a black cat and an owl. Those are fun. Still, like I said, still seeing new stuff. We have candy, like little candies, and a sucker. I don't know if she's made this or not. It looks like it. This is just like twisted clay, but I don't know. And then we have a sweet treat and then some candy corns. I'm trying to think if I've watched, if Anne's done, or Tina's done a video or not. We have this pumpkin silicone bead and all these jack-o'-lantern type of beads. And then this one is full of silver charms. Like there's moons, there's keys, there's bats, there's vampire fangs, stars, just all kinds of stuff. Spider webs, monsters, just so much stuff. There's some really cool ones. And then this says glow in the dark when charged by light. So we have these glow in the dark beads. Oops. And then you have another one of these like ghost in a jar beads. They're so cute. So cute. These are fun beads. I like the shape of them. They're a little different than I think anything I have in my stash. You'll definitely have to put some bigger beads, like if you're stacking them. But I like the shape of them. They're a good shape. So there is Tina's embellishment box. Thank you so much, Tina. Sorry about the confusion. It's on my part. I should have investigated more. But this is done. This is the last one. I've already started swapping stuff out, and these are going to be going out in the mail like in any day now. So I'm going to get back into doing the loaded totes. Or like it's a loaded tote or an embellishment book. So those videos will be rolling in probably same day, if not in the next day or two. So we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.